Would you like to explain Scrum to someone in 2 minutes? Well, I have an elevator pitch for you. Hi, my name is Anil Jaising. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, and I'm also a adjunct faculty with NYU's graduate program of project management. So, Scrum is a very lightweight framework to deliver products. And it's also a new way of working. It's a new way of working where teams keep the progress of the work transparent. The outcomes of the work are frequently inspected, and those frequent inspections lead to feedback that is adapted. And as you go through this cycle of short iterations of transparency, inspection, and adaptation, you deliver quality products in these small iterations. And as you do that, you're also getting feedback from your stakeholders, from your executives, and based on that, you're adapting the work. As soon as you do that, over time, you will notice that the risk of the work goes way down and the probability of success goes way up. And that's it. My 2-minute elevator pitch for Scrum. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe on the subscribe button and also like this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye.